Hello, good afternoon from here. It's Saturday. My name is Ken. Uh, First of all, I'm not a certified analyst nor a professional trader. Everything I'm going to discuss in this video are my own uh, understanding with the crypto markets, especially Bitcoin. The reason that we need to use the Bitcoin chart as a reference for the sake or for the rest of the alts is remember Bitcoin is the first crypto ever created. It gave birth to a lot of cryptocurrencies. So it's the idea that what Bitcoin did from the start. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies created almost uh, on a regular basis, and the that remember Bitcoin's total market dominance is still above the 40% level. So it really is giving a very significant, you know, uh, effect toward any crypto that we are going to make an investment to or create a short-term trading plan. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Everything I'm going to discuss is not correct, necessary correct, or do not act anything to what I'm saying. I'm just trying to explain what are we experiencing right now. So let's start. What I need to locate what is the root of the current dipping. Remember, cryptocurrencies is not the only markets that is experiencing uh, heavy corrections right now. Look at the forex market, the stocks, especially the indices and other stuff. So I'm not I'm not really like I said in the first part earlier, professional, but I'm trying to educate especially those um, beginners in this type of things. So let's check the markets news. So the for me the the biggest news that have impacted the Bitcoin price is this: the Russian crypto ban at the start of January this year. So so for me, this is nothing new. Remember last year we had China ban on cryptocurrency somewhere in uh, sep- late September to October. So this is Russia's turn now to create FUD or fear, as uncertainty, and doubt. So if we try to put it in the monthly chart of Bitcoin, so so there are I can see similar structure here. So right now I already did my chartings here. I created the higher low from the 69 previous all-time high run. Then I connected the low now we had this month to the previous low last year in June. Then connected that will be our higher low. Pay close attention to what I'm saying. I'm trying to teach you how to chart, especially those new in these things. So on the other hand, we connect the two all-time highs, starting with the previous one, the 69,000 top, and to the last one last year, last April, that almost 65. So that will be our higher high. That serves as the resistance on the long term basis. Remember, this is a monthly chart. So, and the higher low will be our support. So, so from this chart also, I created the retracement level of the 69 all-time high fractal and the last 65k fractal retracement. So we can see the retracement levels here. Previous 65 fractal corrected to almost 58% before reversal occurred the following month on that year 2021. So right now we are here in January 20, month. So we had already the maybe this might be, I'm not saying this is the bottom, this might be the bottom. Remember, February month is coming soon. So I hope that we close above this uh, dip in the January. So staying above 35,500 now is very very crucial. So because if not, it will pave way to more downside action. So far, if uh, we try to track the price correction percentage, already 40, almost 49%, sorry, 48.50%. So if we try to combine the two, these two all-time high fractals, so that will sum up to 58%. So I think I made a mistake. The total correction for the 65 all-time high is almost 56%. So if we combine the two fractals, that will give us to almost 59%. Okay. So from that point, we need to locate the median point. You know, uh, I've been studying hard. I've been studying a lot during my vacant hours when my full-time work is done. I keep reading. I understand, watching videos, reading, and they, this is the skill. Everything I learned, uh, I'm trying to put it in use. In this video, I will not use any indicators nor the counting the waves. Just simple charting. So there are there are a lot of charts I'm using. Um, in everything I do, I am trying to put use in the skills that I've learned. So specifically for this video only, I'm just trying to chart it. So for me, I created the pivot median point and colored it in blue because pivot or median point line is a neutral depending on where the price is stayed. So if the price is above it, that is bullish sign. Then below it is a bearish sign. So this will act as a support if the price is above, and try as a resistance, will act as a resistance when the price is uh, above below it. So you can see clearly. So we are here right now. This is the current live price of Bitcoin. So we are so below from the pivot. So this will be the first major resistance line first before this real the 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 strong sell. So this is the first sell or the strong sell, and this is a buy. So trading is very complex, especially a lot of type of traders there: leverage traders, swing traders, day traders, etc., etc. So, and remember, the crypto market is very very big ocean. It's like a very large market where everything, at a lot of things happening, like manipulation, pump and dump and everything. Like there are a lot of pro traders versus the young traders, and there are winners and losers, especially dealing with the uh, leverage trading. So this is very very risky. So I advise those want to enter this type of things to study first, and hope this video will help you understand. So We are here right now. So the previous 65 fractal took 3 months to make a reverse, so to the upside, and hit the previous all-time high at 69,000. So right now, if we try to count it, almost similar. See? So I'm very hopeful that we need to stay above the 30. This is now the latest dip we had at 35,500 earlier, or last night, during the when I was asleep. At this time, remember, I am in the Philippines, so I'm using uh, my time as much as possible. So hoping that we stay above this line, above the this is the bottom of the current ATH at 69 ATH fractal. Will be our retracement, lowest retracement. So if we stay above from this price, where the two lows are connected, remember, I'm using monthly. This is a very uh, slow moving chart. This is long term. So that's it. So hoping that the bears are done selling, and so that those uh, waiting in the sidelines, those fresh investors can now enter, will trade, will make an investment, and they will hold it and sell to their respective sell targets. So that's it. So in if we compared also the volumes compared to the 65 fractal, 69 fractal has lower volumes. So we need to keep an eye on the volume. So once we see a break above this blue line in the next month, that will give bullish sign, especially green. So I'm hopeful. So so I'm not trying to be biased. I'm not promoting Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just the mark, like I said earlier. If just watch this video very closely. And sorry for my English. I'm not English is not my native tongue, but I'm trying my best here to explain. So I'm just doing this analysis for Bitcoin in behalf of all cryptos, from XRP to any cryptocurrencies. And each type of currency has their own strength and weaknesses. So that's it for now. Um, I hope that I think I need to add also I miss about the Fed. Remember, we are using BTC USD chart. USD is the minority pair in this trading pair. BTC major, that is the major pair. I also know forex trading. So right now, the federal US, uh, the Fed, the reserve currency, we all know that US dollar is the universal currency, global currency, is very strong right now. If we try to look at the DXY index, it is in uptrend channel. See, this is the uptrend channel I am seeing. So we need to keep an eye on the Fed news this week, because you know those investors will try first, especially those veteran traders will need to watch the news first of what is might be the latest Fed news. This is the current channel that the US dollar index is heading. So very strong right now. So it might be moving in this direction. So my point is, I am going to keep an eye on the Fed news this week, in the coming weeks, business week, next Monday. So side. Okay, that's it, guys. So far hawkish. The US dollar is hawkish. So it means to say that we try to see the overall markets in the forex, stocks, indices. US dollar is showing strength, especially in the forex. It is showing um, strength against rival currencies like the Australian dollar, AUD, the euro, the GBP, the yen, Japanese yen, and the sort. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something. And remember, this is not a financial advice, but for educational purposes only. Thanks a lot, and God bless.